Plant FAQs. Aglaonema spring snow. The Aglaonema spring snow, a speckled beauty for your home. My love affair with houseplants started small, a single philodendron on a sunny windowsill. But as I delved deeper into the world of leafy companions, I craved something more unique. That's when I stumbled upon the Aglaonema spring snow, and let me tell you, it was love at first sight. This stunning houseplant boasts large, glossy leaves splashed with vibrant white variegation. It's like a living canvas, each leaf a masterpiece of nature's design. Unlike its pickier cousins, the Aglaonema spring snow thrives in low-light conditions, making it perfect for those dimly lit corners of your home. Plus, its easygoing nature makes it ideal for busy plant parents like myself. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. Unveiling the allure of Aglaonema spring snow. Beyond its captivating looks, the Aglaonema spring snow offers a multitude of benefits. It's a natural air purifier, removing common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from your indoor environment. Studies have even shown that houseplants can boost mood and reduce stress, making them a welcome addition to any workspace. This low-maintenance beauty is also a conversation starter. Guests are invariably drawn to its striking foliage, prompting questions about its care and origin. It's a testament to the power of plants to not only enhance our surroundings, but also spark meaningful connections. Bringing the spring snow indoors. Choosing the perfect plant. When selecting your Aglaonema spring snow, look for healthy, vibrant leaves with minimal browning or yellowing. The plant should be well hydrated, with moist but not soggy soil. Inspect the stems for any signs of pests or disease. Opt for a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, a common enemy of houseplants. How to care for Aglaonema spring snow. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of caring for your Aglaonema spring snow. Here's a breakdown of its essential needs. Light. As mentioned earlier, this plant thrives in low to moderate indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid overwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Signs of overwatering include drooping leaves and mushy stems. Underwatered plants will have wilting and dry leaves. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. You can even add perlite to further enhance drainage. Humidity. While the Aglaonema spring snow adapts well to average household humidity, it appreciates a slight boost, especially during dry winter months. Grouping your plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Fertilizer. During the spring and summer growing season, feed your plant a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month. Withhold fertilizer during the fall and winter. Temperature. The Aglaonema spring snow prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. Keeping your spring snow springing forward. Propagation tips. For the adventurous plant parent, propagating your Aglaonema spring snow offers a rewarding experience. Here's a simple method. Identify a healthy stem with at least 2 leaves. Using sterilized shears, cut the stem just below a node, the bump where the leaf meets the stem. Remove the lower leaves, leaving 2 to 3 at the top. Dip the cut end of the stem in rooting hormone, optional, but can encourage faster growth. Plant the stem in a pot filled with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot loosely with a plastic bag to maintain humidity. Place the pot in a warm, brightly lit location in direct light. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. After a few weeks, roots should begin to develop. Once established, remove the plastic bag and care for your new Aglaonema spring snow as usual. What to plant with your Aglaonema spring snow? The Aglaonema spring snow plays well with others. Here are some houseplant companions that will thrive alongside it. ZZ plant, Zemioculca zamifolia, another low-light lover with beautiful, glossy foliage. Snake plant, Sansevieria, a near-indestructible succulent with architectural appeal. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides, a charming little plant with round, coin-shaped leaves. With its minimal needs and easy propagation, the Aglaonema spring snow makes a fantastic gift for plant novices and seasoned collectors alike. Imagine the delight on a friend's face as you present them with this stunning foliage wonder. Not only will they appreciate the aesthetic beauty it brings to their space, but they'll also benefit from its air-purifying properties and calming presence. Plus, the ability to propagate new plants from the mother plant allows you to share the joy of the Aglaonema spring snow with even more loved ones. It's a gift that keeps on giving, a symbol of life, resilience, and the enduring beauty of the natural world.